Hello, I'm here again today with another shading technique. This is with random lines or squiggly lines, or you can call it scribbling. This is the easiest way to create illusion of 3D. This is basically a great way to achieve texture on a surface. I have mentioned the light source coming from the left upper side, and that part will be having the highlight. I will start from here and I will just do this scribbling. I'll fill up the area where there is mid-tone. Then I will gradually start adding more lines. The lines will be very loose. The lines will be random, like random marks. And this is the quickest way basically to create value. And then you have to remember, the greater the frequency of lines, the darker the value is going to be. So I am just randomly marking, and you see how the frequency is adding value here. The darker one, the core shadow, then the light value, then I left the reflected light, the core shadow is done. Then I'm going towards the mid-tones. So these are mid-tones. This is the core shadow. And then here, this is the cast shadow, the shadow that is here because of the object, the opposite direction to the light. Again, random lines. The more frequency, the darker the value is. Darker shadow. Easiest way to achieve volume.